Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use an LDR or light dependent resistor within the simulide simulator. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to go to our search components search bar, and here we will write LDR. So here it is. So this is our LDR. And now I will make it a little bit zoom so that you can see it properly. Now you can see that there are two arrows on it, which indicates that a light used to incident on this resistor. And it's a generic symbol. While you can see this dial on the lower side of the LDR, this is used to change the light intensity that used to fall on the component. Okay, so now what we need to do is we will make a circuit and we will see that how we can use this LDR. So this is our LDR. We will go and we will take our battery. So this is our battery, drag it out. Okay, and we can flip it horizontally. We can connect the positive end of the battery with one end of the LDR. And as LDR is not a polar component, on one side you will attach the battery positive and it is okay. No need for polarity consciousness. Now again we will click zoom to fit, and here it is. And now we will add one LED as well. We will go and we will take an LED. Okay, let me drag it out, or not this one, this one. Okay, so this LED, we can connect it like this, and it's negative side, that of the battery, a negative side. We can't say negative, it is actually it's a cathode side. Again click on zoom to fit, and here it is. Now you can see that we have our battery, we have this LDR and this LED. So what will happen now? When our battery used to provide current, okay, why this LDR? As there isn't any sort of light incident on the LDR, so its resistance must be very high. As soon as we will increase the light intensity, okay, you can see that LDR resistance drop out and current used to flow to our LED. And then it will show its light. You can see that it is now off and then on, like this. We can change the voltage of the battery so that our LED will become a little bit bright. Stop and run, okay, like this and this. Run it out, okay. Now you can see that our LED is a little bit brighter. Okay, now 10 volt. So this is now our LED is ultra bright. So in this way we can use our LDR, okay. So we can even use this arrangement with microcontroller to on certain light or to off certain lamp or anything like that. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use the LDR within the simulide simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.